Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very exciting video that I've been waiting for years to upgrade my PC, since I already have my adult money and I can afford it right now. So let's enjoy the video. The only thing that I will be upgrading is the motherboard, the CPU, and also the PC case, which I go for mATX case, which is the DeepCool CH160 Plus. I really wanted to find a good PC case that I can carry around, since I will go back and forth from my hometown and also my working place. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been putting this off for years, and I feel like this is kind of impulsive buying for me, but actually it's really worth it because I'm upgrading my PC for like every 5 years. And honestly, I was low-key very scared everything wouldn't fit because the case is way smaller than the old one. I reused some part from my previous PC build, including my AIO and my GPU, which is the RX 6600 XT. I actually referred a YouTube video on how to fit everything inside this tiny case. As you can see in the video, I am installing the hard drive. Since I use this hard drive, I cannot put any fans in front for intake, but it's okay, I will be using AIO for this setup. Next is installing the motherboard and the CPU, which is the expensive things for this build. Please don't come at me why I still choose to use AM4, because I cannot afford the AM5, guys, please. Anyways, I choose this B550M from MSI, which it has built-in Wi-Fi. And for the CPU, I'm using Ryzen 7 5700X. Moving on, for the storage, I also use this M.2 500GB of SSD. For the RAMs, I'm using these 2 sticks of RAM that is from TimeTech. Also, shout out to them that they gave me these RAMs for a few years back, and I'm still using it. The quality is great, guys. And also, I forgot to mention that I do buy a new PSU last minute because I feel like my old PSU cannot fit in this case. This is just a regular size PSU, but it is slightly smaller than my old one.
So I'm going to plug our front fan.
Update, I successfully installed this power supply, which took longer than I thought it would be, but I would say building this PC is a bit challenging for me since it's very small. But surprisingly, the AIO fits perfectly on top of the case. So over here, I forgot to put my GPU in. And then when I'm trying to fit the GPU inside, it's a pretty tricky, especially if you have a very kind of big PSU. Anyways, this PC is working perfectly fine, and I'm so proud of myself, yeah? So for overall, I really love this new upgrade for my PC. For Valorant, I do get some like 300 to 400 FPS, and I always play Apex Legends right now. It will get around like 100 to 200 FPS, which a huge upgrade from my past setup. So I think that's the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys later, hopefully.